Welcome to Appesco, your all-in-one solution crafted for freelance business management, catering specifically to freelancers offering services, particularly those relying on timesheets. Today, we'll guide you through the key features of our application, helping you streamline your workflow and make the most out of your freelancing experience. Let's get started. To begin, sign up with either your email or Google account. Once signed up, you can create your first workspace and dive into the app. After your initial login, you will land on the dashboard, a central hub for your dynamic reports, calendar, and quick action buttons. On the top right corner, you'll find options to edit your profile and create a new workspace. The left menu offers quick access to the dashboard, finance section with sales module, planning sections with time tracking, setup for adding customers, companies, products, and services. And don't forget the help button for assistance and tutorials. Let's start by managing your profile. Edit your personal information and add an icon for a personalized touch. For workspaces, view your current one and add additional workspaces as needed. Navigate to the sales page where you can customize your view, filter, sort, and export data effortlessly. Edit the table view and restore accidentally deleted invoices from the recycle bin. To create a new sales invoice, click New, fill out the details in the drawer, or use the step-by-step form. In the time tracking module, easily filter, sort, and export data. Create new entries, providing details for your work. Now let's set up your data. In the Customers modules, add customer details, billing address, and taxation information. Similarly, add companies with address and contact details and taxation information. For products and services, input your work details for easy selection when creating invoices. We recommend utilizing the setup modules for a seamless invoicing experience. Now you're ready to efficiently manage your freelance business with Appesco. If you have any questions or feedback, reach out to us at hi@appesco.com. Thank you for watching and enjoy using Appesco for a streamlined freelancing experience.